Hello everybody, this is your North Carolina Realtor agent at Banks. Today I'm excited to show you all this lovely new construction property right here. It's actually built by True Homes here in the Boulding Branch community in High Point, North Carolina. This specific plan right here is called the Hudson plan. So let's come check it out. This property is 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms with the loft. If you would like, you can actually change the loft and turn it to a 4th bedroom. This property is actually one of the most popular square footage plans that they have, and it can be built in multiple locations within the triad. The base price is only $327,000 with the low HOA in this community of $25 a month, so it just feels like it's a deal that you can't beat. If you are somebody that is considering this floor plan, feel free to reach out to me on any of my social media handles. The link will be in the description. Also, if you want to check out some of the other floor plans that True Homes have, let me know and we can definitely find the plan for you.